everybody, it's your girl Elo for Life, and today I'm creating a video on some products that I recently purchased from a couple of Instagram boutiques that I've seen online. So if you don't know, if you've been following me, you already know that I've been doing this 90-day hair growth challenge. So I think I'm like in week 7 right now. So next week I will definitely be doing an update video, I believe. I'm not sure. I can't remember. I'm kind of like losing track here. It's either the 6th or 7th week. But eventually you'll get a video on my 8th week. For those who don't know, now you know. And you can definitely go look at those videos on my 90-day hair growth challenge. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video because I don't want to make this video super long. So the two companies that I had actually purchased products from, one is called yougonatural, and the other one is from Afrolicious Creations. It's an Etsy type of store. So let's get the yougonatural stuff first. So they didn't come in anything spectacular, bag or anything like that. I did get 3 products. And if you want to see the name, yougonatural.com, you can also get a discount called Insert 10. It's a, here's the insert card if you want to see that. Oops, let me get that in there. Here you go, right here. So the first item I'm going to show you all is called I believe this is called the T-shirt bun. So I did purchase 3 items from them. I purchased the T-shirt bun, the brush stroke knotted headband, and then I also purchased a Camo open turban, T-shirt turban. But let's do the knot first. So this is what the bag looks like. This is what the bag, get in the camera. This is what the bag looks like. And as you saw on the little insert, you have your little bun. Now they do have different colors. And I thought these were really fascinating. I've never worn a T-shirt bun before. So I was a little bit worried about if this was going to dry my hair out or not. But what I love about this product is the fact that it has satin on the inside. You see that? And this helps protect your hair. So it does say is 100%, the lining is made of 100% polyester satin. You can machine wash it cold, do not bleach it. So I would probably wash this and then hang it up. But I like the fact that it has satin on the inside. Now y'all know, for us naturals, we don't need anything that's going to dry out our hair. So I'm going to go ahead and try this on. Now, I'm just going to warn y'all. My hair, it is looking a hot mess right now. So y'all going to have to excuse that. Now, yeah, I see my hair. So what I'm going to do is, to wear this as a cute style, I'm going to go ahead and use some of the Frontal Queen Baby Hair Control. This is a 48-hour hold. So you're better off, first of all, what you need to do is make sure your edges ain't looking nappy. Now, if you want your edges to look nappy, you know, to each his own, do what you want to do. But I would like mine to be a little slick back, because you don't have to wear this fully on top your entire head. So this is what the bun is looking like. Now the bun is so on her tight that it's not going to come loose. So I don't know what they did to knock that up like that. Like I said before, I've never ever worn a bun before. But you know, you get the drift. Let me turn around so you all can see the back. Now I feel like this has a lot of room in there. So if you have a lot of hair, this would definitely fit over that. I believe they are making these in sizes now. So that's something new. I believe it's coming to their website to do this new. To make these into different sizes. So this is how this is looking. You can even cover up all of your hair if you want to. I've worn it like this, and I've gone out the door, and like if I'm running to go get something to eat real quick, I ain't trying to throw no get up and go wig down my edges. That if you want to hide your edges, and going out the door. Don't nobody care. But this is like the perfect little protective style that you can do without actually messing with your hair. So I have been wearing this out and a few times to the store, so on and so forth. Now I put my glasses on. I'm looking like a little old lady. I think I'm looking like a little old lady. But I think it's cute. I mean, you can even wear the bun to the side if you want to. You ain't got to wear it straight in the middle or anything like that. But this is, it kind of reminds me of something my grandma would wear. But I've seen a lot of young people wearing stuff like this too as well. I wonder if you can take this. Let me see. I'm just want to try something, you guys. Okay? I just want to try something. You can even wear it like this. Oh, I've never worn it like this before. So, y'all see that? Front to the back. You can even wear it like this if you want to. And maybe put your hair back a little bit. See? So, I figured this is like an A+ to me, because whether you have a little bit of hair or you have a whole lot of hair, this will make a great protective style that you can get up and go in. So, I absolutely love this. I've never worn it to the back, but that's my first time doing that on camera. And I just may do that. Now, the next thing that I have, and this is more like for, which one is this? This is called the Camo Open T-shirt turban. So a lot of this is made out of T-shirt. But what I like about this is the fact that, let's see how this works. They have you see how the inside is made up of silk. Now this is best for like if you have braids, or if you have a ponytail, and your edges is looking a little raggedy. You can hide this with this. Now I'm trying to see how to do this. I'm not sure. Some crochet hairstyles. You can put your hair up in a ponytail. And I'm not sure if I'm doing this right, y'all. This is my first time doing this on camera. And this is my first time actually putting this one on. Because I've been wearing my T-shirt turban one. I think it goes something like this. Let me see. Hold on. Oh, Lordy. Let me get my life together, y'all. I thought they said it goes something like this, and then this, and then they do have a T-shirt turban that covers your whole head, but I figure I could wear something like this, like when I go out and work out, when the weather breaks. It's just not working. I don't think I know how to put this. I don't know how to put this on. Okay. Okay. I think it goes back. I think you just cross it. Depending on how big or small your head, you can adjust it. Y'all, I look a hot mess. Okay, I know I'm not doing this right, so I'm going to have to figure out how to do this right. But I hope you all get my dress. They have one that covers your whole entire head. I'm not sure why I didn't get that one. Oh. I mean, this would probably look cute if you had like a little get up and go wig on and had it like in a ponytail type of situation going on. But I'm pretty sure I am not putting this on right, y'all. But I hope y'all get the picture. So if you want to learn how to put this on right, and I should have done that before I got on camera, go out to the website YouGoNatural and figure out how to put this on. But I just want to get on here and show y'all. This is something else that I bought that also protects the hair as well. Oops. I'm going to figure that out. And then y'all going to see me sporting in one of my videos. The next thing, the last thing that I bought from YouGoNatural is just a... Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Oh. This is just another little headband. This is just another little headband. Protect your edges. And like I said, what I like about these bands versus what I buy like on Amazon and you get from like the hair companies that's online and Chinese hair companies online is the fact that it has silk lining on the inside. And I believe these wraps are all handmade, because I was watching a video and they were showing part of them kind of like making it. So if I had like a little nice get up and go wig on, this will also protect your, especially around the perimeter of your hair. I should have went on ahead and bought a couple more items that covered the entire head. I should have done that. But I love the fact that these have silk lining on the inside. Y'all see that? I'm going to sport this one. And I like how this knot is up here versus the ones you get from the, you know, the online Chinese stores or whatever, where it's kind of like they kind of get messed up in the middle. They don't stay. I kind of like the ones with the knots so they don't get messed up right here, because I always have to adjust it to the point to where I can never get it back correctly based on the other ones. But, and you can probably wear this out if you want to wear your hair out like this with just this headband around like that. I mean, by all means, go ahead. But like I said, this still protects your hair, especially with the silk lining. So that's what I wanted to show you all of what I purchased from YouGoNatural. And I purchased one item from the other store. Now, I won't wear this out like this with my hair looking like this, of course. But it's just the fact that I love the fact that it has the silk lining around these bands that's going to protect your edges. It's not going to dry your edges out. It's not going to pull your edges out. So let's take that off. So that's it for all the YouGoNatural. I am going to order a couple more items from them, because, like I said, I love the product. Now, the next thing that I bought is from, like I told you, Afrolicious Creations. And it comes in a package like this. You know, nothing spectacular or anything like that. And this is actually my first time opening this up. So even though we protect our hair going outdoors amongst the day or whatever we do, we need to also protect our hair at night. So I got a free gift, which is, it looks like a satin scrunchie. It's a pink one. Yeah, it's a pink satin. So they do make these. So if you want to buy those scrunchies for like your daughter, if you have like a little one, these are very, very pretty. And they are well made. Okay. Well made. So I did get this. I don't have little girls anymore, so I don't think they're not gonna want anything like that. Huh? If I see a little girl and somebody I know, or a little cousin or somebody, I'll give it to them. Now what I have next is a reversible satin bonnet. Y'all see me sporting my bonnet. I forgot where I got this from. It's not like a regular bonnet, but I had to get another bonnet, and these are so beautiful. Look at that gray. This is called the reversible gray. Well made, and it has Afrolicious Creations on it. The price in total was, I had the price on here. Okay, so the reversible satin bonnet is $12.99, which is not expensive at all. And then with shipping and tax, it was a total of $17.77. But this is a supposed to be a reversible bonnet. So you can wear either way. Now, it would be nice if they had like a different design on the other side. And they may have a different design on the other side. I'm not sure. But it's satin all the way around, inside and out. So this is why I like this. This is my first time putting this on. And this is something very nice to wear. Not out in public, of course. But you know how some of y'all be doing. Y'all don't care. We sporting the bonnets out in the store. So, but me, not me. But if you're looking for something to sleep on at night, this is a great alternative, because we already know, and I'm going to show you, like, what I get from the beauty supply store. Like this. Now look at this. That is just like straight see-through. This is what they call a satin bonnet at your local beauty supply store. This is not a satin bonnet. This is not a true satin bonnet. Not only that, I mean, you're going to get moisture seeping. Your moisture is going to be seeping through here. So I'm not impressed with that. I don't like that. I don't wear this at night. And I would not suggest anybody else to wear this at night. Now, if you don't care, you don't care. But I won't wear that at night. Now, something like this is a great alternative. It's very cost effective, especially when it comes to wearing, utilizing your satin pillowcases. Satin pillowcases can be very expensive as well, too. So, if you're looking for a satin bonnet, then I would suggest getting one of these. Look at that, y'all. That's pretty. That's beautiful. And this is black owned, and it's handmade with care. I would say it like that. And I would go ahead and post a link below in my description exactly to the Etsy store where I purchased this from. Because like I said, I want to purchase a couple more of these. So I had this. I forgot where I got this from. This is made of Evolve, a much thicker material than that other stuff. But I'm going to start wearing this at night when it comes to protecting my hair. So that's all I have today for you all. Rate, comment, subscribe. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And for those who are my subscribers, I love you all. Thank you so much. If you have any questions or there's any products that maybe you want me to try, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. And I will see you all in my next video. Deuces.